Acquire grammar. In this lesson, we are going to have a look at how to use in case. We use in case to mean because it is possible something will happen. Let's look at this example. It's possible that it will rain later today. If it rains, she will need an umbrella. So, she will take an umbrella in case it rains. You are going to the supermarket. You should make a list because you might forget something. So we can say, make a list in case you forget something. You need a spare tire in case you get a flat. Now you try. Make a sentence using in case. Take some sunglasses in case it's sunny. You need car insurance in case you have an accident. Take a book to the doctor's office in case you have to wait a long time. Let's compare in case and if. So let's look at this sentence. I will buy an umbrella in case it rains. This means I will buy an umbrella and then later, if it rains, I can use it. I will buy an umbrella if it rains. This means later, if it starts raining, I will buy an umbrella. If it doesn't rain, I will not buy an umbrella. Now you try. Which one is correct? In case or if? If someone breaks in, the alarm will go off. You should get a security system in case someone breaks in. You should wear a helmet in case you have an accident. You'll be safer in an accident if you wear a helmet. I introduced myself again in case he had forgotten my name. Give it a go. Try making a sentence using in case and leave it in the comments below. Do you want to practice speaking English? Join the Acquire English Club. Learn from and chat with native English teachers. Practice your English with learners from all over the world. The Acquire English Club. Go to aenglish.club. Talk to you soon.